On today's menu, talk about an awesome and easy recipe. Barbecue jackfruit tacos.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now if you haven't made these already, these incredible corn tortillas, be sure to click the link above and make these ahead of time so that you can just put these tacos together.
Medium heat. Spread a thin layer of oil using a paper towel. When the pan is really nice and hot, place in your tortilla. Let them cook for about 45 seconds to a minute on each side. Be sure to have the fan on or a window open as it can get smoky. Repeat the same process for the rest of your tortilla. Cover the tortilla with a cloth to prevent them from drying out. Squeeze out the excess liquid from the jackfruit and flake them into a bowl. Saute pan. Medium heat. Olive oil. Jackfruit. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Half cup your favorite barbecue sauce. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes.
Seriously, does not get any easier than that.
Plate. Purple cabbage. Brussels sprouts. Assemble. Fresh pineapple. Fresh chopped cilantro.
This is a delicious hot sauce I made in the previous episode. Just a little bit goes a long way.
You can now make these delicious jackfruit tacos with absolute confidence.
I mean, why have tacos just for Taco Tuesdays? Incredible. It's crunchy, it's fresh, It's smoky, and that hot sauce goes really well with that amazing fresh sweet pineapple. Just delicious. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.